Okay, so what's up, guys? What's up, my people up here? It's your guy Shapiro. Guys, I know it's been a long time that I've recorded video. It's been a long time that people have seen my face, and to extend that some of you even call me or chat me like Shapiro. What's happened to you? You have not been hearing from you. You have not been posting again. Okay, yeah, guys. So for the past month, I may say some terrible things happened to me. Like a lot of things happened to me that made me not to post video, okay, not to be posting video. And guys, what's happening to me is something that terrible that I end up or let me end up in the hospital, okay, for some weeks. Okay, and guys, I've been through a lot of things, some challenges, a lot of challenges. That's the main reason why I've not been posting on YouTube again. Okay, that's the main reason I've not been posting on YouTube. And also the first challenge I'll talk about here is me getting the best website or the best platform to make money online. Okay, because as I said in all of my videos, what I do most is that I look for a website that is paying, then I invest money inside. Okay, so when I invest and I realize that okay, this website is good, I come here, record video about it on my channel for you guys to get make some cool cash. But for the last weeks, I've gotten a numerous of a website that I've invested money inside. But guys, what happened is that they just run away with my money. I didn't get as promised. Okay, I didn't get the profit as they promised me that I'll get. I didn't get. Some of the website just jumped. Some also they're not working again. They can't log in again. And a lot of stuff, slow stuff, and that's why that's the main reason why I've not uploaded in last month. Okay, and guys, in this particular month, this is July that we are in right now. This happened. I had an accident, okay, in my hostel. I'm in a hostel right now. I had an accident in my hostel. So as you guys can see right now, that you can see that higher. So I have a big wound there that ended up in the hospital for like a week in the hospital. And guys, this incident or this accident make me spend a lot of money. Okay, guys, I have a lot of money, or I have my capital plan to shoot videos about vlogging. Okay, I plan of doing videos about vlogging where I'll help people, where I'll spread for accessibility and lots of challenges and things that in my school. Okay, that's my new idea. So my new idea is that okay, so when maybe I'm not getting, or since I'm not getting a platform to make money from, why not then change my YouTube channel to a vlogging channel? So I'll be doing vlogging, and the money that I've made I'll use it to help people, reach people up there, going to orphanage home and things. That's my plan I had before this incident happened to me on my birthday. Okay, guys, this incident happened to me on my birthday, which cost me a lot of money. Okay, that I need to spend. Guys, I spent a lot of money because I was in hospital for 2 weeks, and it even resulted in a police case that I need to be in a police station to, or I need to be going to a police station to every day, every 2 days to just resolve the issue. But guys, even though I'm not fully okay and I'm not fully recovered, but right now I'm strong enough just to keep you guys updated. Okay, the main reason I'm doing this video is that I got 2 of my fans that chat me yesterday and you were like, Shapiro, what's wrong with you? Please update us on what is going on. So it's been a long time that we have heard from you. So that's the main reason why I'm doing recording this video for my fans up there. That is what happened to Shapiro. Okay, so I'm severe injured that I can't do anything again. But right now, as you can see, I'm talking right now. I'm healthy. As you can see, I'm good. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. So guys, what will happen is that I'll be doing a lot of vlogging more than how to make money. Okay, so I'll be doing a lot of vlogging that will help a lot of people in my school here. I'll be helping a lot of people in my school. I'll be spreading the good news, and I'll be spreading like the vibes. I'll be spreading the vibes on my campus here, helping people from one place to another. I feel like we're doing that a lot. Okay, I feel doing helping a lot of people. So I feel like why not do it as in the form of music. So I will bring a lot of vlogging, but guys, don't worry, because I'll still be posting video about how to make money online anytime that I find a website that is paying much. Okay, anytime I find a website that is paying much. And also, guys, that's all you should know. And what happened to me actually, I don't think it's something that I need to release here, because I may say it's a personal accident that happened to me with my hostel with one of my best friends. So I don't think it's need for me to talk about it here, but just an accident that happened. And I know maybe if I didn't, maybe it was not planned. Okay, it was not planned. Let's see